Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Toyota Tundra. It has a 5.7 liter V8. This is a 4x4. It also has a bed cover. And it has a hard plastic bed liner. Tow package looks good. Yeah, painted alloy wheels. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. It does have a limited interior. This folds down into a armrest and cup holder. You have additional power supply back here. You also have a sunroof in this model. There we go right there. Okay. All right, you see that you have 13,800 miles on this vehicle. Here's your push to talk and your toggles for your infotainment center and your trip computer and such, your lane drift sensor and your vehicle sensor. All right. You also have your trailer controls down here. Here's your 2 and 4 wheel toggle. There's also your shifter and your cup holders. Additional stowage right there. Here's your navigation. The sun is hitting it just wrong. But you also have heated seats in this model. And you can see that popping up right there as I toggle that. Okay, and then you have AM, FM, let's see. I'm going to jump to my audio options. There's my HD, FM. Here's my sources, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Then you also have your CD right here. Then your apps will come in, especially with your phone. Here's your navigation. All right, and then in order to see the Bluetooth, you simply put it in, the reverse backup camera. You put it in reverse. There's that. Okay, and then we come up here. You'll have your standard map reading lights right here. And there's your sunroof. All right, that about wraps it up for this little Toyota. Oh, this particular one does have a branded title. There's an impact here on the passenger side. It affected this chrome piece that goes across the grille. It affected both doors on the passenger side and into the cab. There was no structural damage reported and the airbags did not deploy, so we were able to get it all fixed up, and it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. According to the sticker, it's also passed the Blue Star inspection as well. Trucks don't last a long time here on the lot. So for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.